Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download COBO wallet on your iPhone. COBO is a mobile and web-based cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, manage, and trade various digital assets. To download COBO wallet on your iPhone, go ahead and open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in COBO and search. Look for this application from the search result, and to start downloading the app, tap on Get. Go ahead and sign into your Apple ID or use your Face ID and start with the download process. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take several minutes. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open to open the application. An app shortcut will also be created inside your app drawer, and you can access your COBO wallet anytime you want. So, that's how you can easily download COBO wallet application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.